So you've just finished the interview with the examiner and you're wondering, what happens next? You know? Well, I'll make this as simple as I possibly can. Just ask the examiner. They should be able to tell you whatever you need to know, what letters will be issued and how much time you have. But for example, in my instance as a tax compliance officer, at the end of the examination, I'd issue a 915 letter with the report. That's a 30-day letter. If I don't hear anything from you in 15 days, like if you agree to the changes and you want to sign the report or something like that, or you have additional documentation, I'm going to issue a 1912 letter, which is a 30-day letter. And if I don't hear anything from you from there, I'm gonna close the case out, unagreed. And it'll notify you of your appeals rights. If you do send me some additional documentation, I'll send out a 692 letter and it'll have a note the changes in the report. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell. I mean, other than that, if the case is still unagreed and you don't agree to the changes, well, you do have a couple options there. I mean, one of them is you can request a manager's conference. You can speak to the examiner's manager and, you know, it's informal. And sometimes the manager is able to resolve it and stuff. So, I mean, that's an option there. It's something you need to consider. That's one step before the appeals process. And obviously that's the next step is the appeals process, which I talk about in the next video and stuff. And then from there, you petition U.S. tax court. And so, and you know, an important thing to remember, like I had said previously, is you're going through this, as I said this in the previous video, if it's too much or you're just overwhelmed, just get yourself some representation. Other than that, I hope this helps, okay? Thank you for watching.